So the cereal is currently $1.99. They didn't put the right tag on this one. There is a 50% off digital coupon that you guys can use on the Walgreens app. Plus there is a deal on Ibotta. Now depending on what deal you guys can get, the Fruit Loops you can get 40 cents back, the Frosted Flakes you can get 45 cents back, the Apple Jacks you can get 40 cents back, and then all the other cereals are not on sale. So it's just those ones that are included. The Oreo cereal is on sale for $1.99. You guys would pay $1.99, but there is a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta. Comes out to be just $1.74. The nice bags plus the baggies, and I'll show you guys those in a second, are on sale technically for $2.79. It is buy one, you get two free. So these come out to be just 93 cents a piece. Same deal with this, 3 for $2.79. So it's basically buy one, get two free. Comes out to be 93 cents a piece. The 7-Up Dr. Pepper root beer products, they are currently 3 for $8.99. You guys will get them for just $2.99 a piece. The Townhouse crackers are on sale for $1.99. There is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. You guys will get these for $1.49. The Dial Body Wash is on sale for 2 for $7. We do have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys will get these for $5 or just $2.50 a piece. The Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7, including these. Very rare that these are 2 for $7, but there's currently a 4 off of 2 digital coupons. You guys will get these for $3 or just $1.50 a piece. Revlon lip stuff is on $4.99. It is currently buy one get one 50% off. You guys would pay $7.48, but then you'll get a $4 register reward, making it $3.48 or just $1.74. Not the greatest deal, but in case you guys need some stuff, you can go ahead and get it. If you guys need some school supplies, little notepads are 49 cents, along with the index cards are 49 cents. And the rulers are also 49 cents. If you need some paper folders, they are currently on sale 5 for $1. The Elmer's glue is 79 cents, and the Walgreens brand Wexford is 49 cents. We also have the glue sticks for 79 cents. They do have some pencils and pens and markers. They are currently on sale for $1.99. We do have a $1 off a digital coupon for those items, so you guys will get them for 99 cents. The Purex is on sale for buy one at $6.99 and get one free. You guys would pay $7. It comes out to be $3.50 a piece. The Purex crystals and also the pods are on sale for buy one at $5.99. You get one free. So you guys would pay about $3 a piece for these. The Renew-It air fresheners are currently on sale for 89 cents. We do have a buy 4 you get 2 free coupon, digital coupon. You guys would pay $3.56. But if you go and submit your receipt to Ibotta, you need to buy 5, but you want to buy 6 for this deal. You guys will get $2 back. That comes out to be $1.56 or just 26 cents a piece. Awesome deal. The All laundry detergent is on sale for $2.99. We do have a $1 off coupon. You guys would get it for $1.99. Now there's also a rebate with Ibotta, and it does say any size, any variety, but when I scan every single item, nothing pops up. So when I submit my receipt for my other items, I am going to contact them because we should be getting that money. But I also found out, so you guys would end up getting these for 99 cents after the thing. But I actually have a $3 off of 2. So you guys want to buy 2 of these for $2.99, so that's $6. You take the $3 off, that comes out to be what, $3 I think. You guys can submit ×2. You get both of them for 50 cents a piece if Ibotta works. The Tide laundry detergent is on sale for $4.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon making it $2.99. Plus you guys can submit your receipt to the P&G and get some points.